Hello everyone, welcome back to Driver's High. Today, we're shifting gears to explore the buzz surrounding the 2026 Mercedes Benz GLC Class Coupe. This upcoming model promises to elevate the luxury coupe segment with its head-turning looks, refined performance, and cutting-edge technology. First up, design. The 2026 GLC Coupe carries forward Mercedes-Benz's signature blend of elegance and sportiness. Its sloping roofline and sculpted sides create a sleek coupe-like profile that's both aerodynamic and aggressive. Expect updated LED headlamps and a recontoured grille to give it a fresh, modern face. Subtle tweaks to the rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips will reinforce its athletic stance, while new wheel designs likely ranging from 20 to 21 inches add a bold finishing touch. Under the hood, rumors point to a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering around 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup mirrors the current GLC 300 Coupe, but should benefit from enhanced tuning for sharper throttle response and marginally improved fuel efficiency. Standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive will ensure confident handling in all weather conditions. Inside, the cabin is set to impress with premium materials and thoughtful tech. Look for richly stitched leather seats, open-pore wood or brushed aluminum trim, and customizable 64-color ambient lighting to suit any mood. The centerpiece will be the latest MBUX infotainment system displayed on a large portrait-style touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports to keep your devices powered. On the safety front, Mercedes continues to lead with a suite of driver assistance features. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and a blind spot monitor, all as standard equipment. New for 2026 may be enhanced surround view cameras with digital transparent hood functionality, helping you navigate tight spots with ease. When will we see it? Industry insiders suggest a debut in late 2025, with deliveries kicking off in early 2026, just in time for the new model year rush. As for pricing, early estimates place the starting MSRP between $65,000 and $70,000, reflecting its premium positioning and tech upgrades. All in all, the 2026 GLC Class Coupe looks poised to captivate luxury car enthusiasts with its blend of style, substance, and sophistication. What feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Driver's High content. See you in the next ride.